So let's start again. Again, I'm here with Mr. Monib, and he's so famous personality. Now he's involving in critical thinking, and he want to be a fame person, and he's thinking about a creative video, which will be, I can say, impressive for the audience. So let's talk to Mr. Monib. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. So, may I know that why are you here?
Um, yeah,
Here, what are you doing here? Like it's a park. Am I right?
no, it's actually in the library.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a library.
And capture a video relating to my experience within the university
Okay.
and related to my degree.
Have you thought any topic or any experience which you have not yet?
Not any specific one, but there's something about.
Okay, great. So, would you like to tell me something about your university which you have gained something really interesting which you really like?
Nothing specific
Hmm.
till now, but yes, I think I can gain something very special in it. Gain very much quite a good experience in here.
What kind of experience you have got in your life? Can you explain one of those?
As soon as my university is concerned,
Okay.
now the experience is all about I can say the academic and curricular activities
Hmm.
and stuff.
That's really good that you are getting academic, I can say, experience, which is really proficient for you. And apart from academic, have you ever gained, I can say, faced any kind of social activities in your?
Yes, I did. I
Okay.
participated in the curricular activities.
Uh.
Recently, we had this cultural and sport festival. I
Hmm.
participated in badminton. Though I lost my matches, but yet it's quite.
Oh, that's really nice, and you had a great experience, and you explained it very well. Thanks for your precious time. Now I'm going to the second person. Would you like to explain your introduce yourself?
My name is Muhammad Umar,
Yes.
and I am a student of BS English Language and Literature. And
Okay.
studying in Superior University, Lahore. in
Oh,
Sri
you
Lanka.
are also studying in Superior University.
Yeah.
Okay, so you must be our friends.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can you share any experience which is really notable for you?
I want to take my experience which I have gained.
Are you reading the paragraph on the page?
Yes, of course. इस तरह बंद कर दे.
Okay. Now let's move to our next person. So, hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Uh, okay, what are you doing here?
I'm just wondering.
Wandering. Wow, really good. So, what do you do?
For what?
What do you do? What do you
In
do?
here or university?
Uh,
In our hostel.
actually, my question is that what do you do for living?
I'm just studying. I'm not.
Okay, you are a student.
Yes.
In which class you are studying?
In university, BS English,
BS English. In which university you are studying?
Superior University.
Oh, you are two studying in Superior University. So you thrice are friends.
We are friends and class fellows.
Oh, that's really good. Would you like to share any experience which you have gained in your university, which was really momentable for you?
In Superior University, the teachers are very good.
Okay.
They motivate the student
Mm-hmm.
for learning anything.
Okay.
Or
मैं gmail.com लिख के जा रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
When we studying, when we take lecture about any teacher, then we enjoy the lecture. They understand their what we say. जो हमें पढ़ाते हैं वो हमें समझ आता है अच्छी तरीके.
Okay, so that was your really nice intro, and it's an honor to make a video of you. And thanks for your precious time. Let's move to our next person. Hello, how are you?
Assalamualaikum. Alhamdulillah. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thanks for asking. What are you doing here?
I come here for some shooting purpose.
Shooting purpose.
Yeah.
Are you a photographer or a videographer?
No, I'm the student of BS English.
Oh, okay. You are a student.
Yeah, ma'am assigned us a project.
Mm-hmm.
It's like feedback of our degree.
Of your degree.
Yeah.
Well, would you like to explain which you have assigned by your ma'am?
Yeah, it's my, you know that it's my second semester.
How can I know that?
You are my batchmate.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But I don't know you.
Why?
Oh, I'm a videographer and I don't know.
Also the student of BS English.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I know you.
You know me.
Yeah. You
Okay.
are Bilal.
I'm Bilal.
Yeah.
But I'm not a Bilal.
Why? You are Mohammed Bilal.
Yes, I'm a Mohammed.
Okay.
Okay, so anything else which you wanna share over here, or you had a great experience, or any great moment which you had faced in your life and you want to express?
Yeah, I learned a lot of things there. Basically, I am from Balochistan.
Oh, you are from Balochistan. That's really
You know the
good.
condition.
Yeah,
You know the condition of Balochistan.
yeah, they're.
No, well, good education. That's
Mm-hmm.
why I came here.
But the Balochistan people are really nice.
Yeah. Pleasure in mind. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
You meet Ibrar Ahmed. It's a very good guy.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is my experience. I learned a lot here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's my second semester. I hope you to pray for me.
Yeah, inshallah, I'll pray for you. May Allah bless you, health and best education. Okay, now let's move to the next person.
He is ill. He is sick. He is not able to talk.
Okay, why he can't speak?
He has some infection in his tongue. That's why.
Oh, okay, no worries about it. So may Allah bless you health and bless your, I can say.
Thank you for blessing Bilal.
Oh, you're welcome. Okay.